Yeah.
Our ski area.
Yep. They won't take any chances. And even when it was...
Yeah. The average person, the tourist, so if you get to the top of the mountain pass, she was there. Isn't that Ray Rock?
Yep.
It starts getting pretty now.
Come the morning, I'd always be there, walking in his footsteps in the sweet Delta dawn. Born a slave in the town of Pittsburgh, traded for a chestnut man. He never spoke a word in vain. Round old Catfish John. Mama said, don't go near that old Catfish John. Everything's cool as can be in me. See a goodie or daddy, daddy can I
Over there, it's 10 after 11. Wander around at 93 degrees.
Oh my gosh, 93 degrees. Wandering might not be that much fun. Well, but we can't sit in the car. I thought it'd be fun to go down to the river, maybe go down to the water.
Go to the park?
Yeah. Oh.
No, somebody else driving. That's Dave's rig, though.
Because what time did you say it is?
10 after 12.
That'd be fun. Okay, because I got my glasses on and we can go through town and I can show for the total tour. Oh, look at, they have water coming down. Wow.